Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, my name is Muhammad Firdaus bin Nasripan. My matric number B09-2010-356 from class Bmmf. So, I will present my case study based on Astra Brain Battery by Batterico. Introduction. This case study is focused on solving the problem of time and cost to do a commercial activity of Astra brand battery. Okay, problem statement and objective. So based on the observation and complaint, the problem occur for the Astra brand battery is the commercial activity is not executed well, which is take a long time to do a commercial activity, okay, such as must do a photo shoot of battery. Okay, this as we see in this slide, this is the battery by Batterico, the Astra brand. Okay, the objective is to reduce cost of commercial activity, to reduce the time taken for commercial activity for Astra brand battery. Okay, for the problem solving, I use the fishbone diagram. So in the fishbone diagram, as we see in the figure, it consists of time, cost, method, and design. So we can see in the fishbone diagram detail for each criteria. Okay, next, the problem solving. So this is the 5 whys. So as we see in the figure, this is for the commercial activity are not well executed. So why number 1 is take a long time to execute the task. Okay, why number 2 is complicated and complex flow to the commercial activity. Why number 3 is cost more to do. Why number 4 is to design or result of photo shoot cannot change instantly. Why number 5 is need more of manpower. So next, this is for the plan, do, check and act, or the PDCA. So as we see in this table, we see for the first row is the commercial activity are not well executed, and beside this the why. Okay, for the first is the more cost. Okay, why? Because the prop of or object being used take a huge use of electricity. Okay, for example, is the when we do a photo shoot, we use the powerful of lighting that need a lot of supply from the electricity. So this make the bills for the company increase. Okay, next is the more time needed. Okay, why this happen? The time taken to complete from one task to one task is long. Okay, for example is when we do to shoot, we need to arrange it, we need to plan it, how we want to take the photo shoot, how we want the result from the photo shoot. Okay, and the third is cannot change the result of picture from photo shoot instantly. Okay, why? Need to retake and redone all the tasks again to get the result that we need. Okay, for example, when we do the photo shoot, okay, we get the result, and when we apply it in a poster or in anything else, the result from the photo shoot is not compliant what that we need. So we need to retake again, plan it again, rearrange it again, to shoot it again. So it's need to a lot of time, a lot of a lot of things to do. So we cannot change the result and or the picture instantly, and also we cannot edit it instant lah for the result of the photo shoot, so we need to retake it again. Okay, next is do. Okay, how I do the mockup of 3D is by using the software of 3D CAD, which is the Rhinoceros 7. So as we see in the figure, this is the what you call the interface of software. Okay, this is the Astra band battery for the model of NS 40B20L. Okay, next is the check. So for the check is how I want to the result of from the software. I'm rendering the what you call the CAD of mockup of battery from the software. How I want the result is similar with the actual from the photo shoot. So I play with the setting on the material. I choose the material such as the plastic, okay, and metal to replicate the actual of battery. And also I use the for the rendering setting such as the lighting. Okay, as we see in the figure, how we want to project the light, how we want to make it where the shadow came out, okay, and so on. Okay, next is the egg. Okay, for the egg is this is the in the figure we see the flowchart with the how I start, determine the problem, okay, brainstorm the solution. Okay, next is done all the solution. Okay, after I list, I create the 3D mockup battery. Okay, I'm rendering the 3D mockup battery to get the result. Okay, is it successful? If no, I improvise software setting. Like I said before this, the layers, the material and the lighting for the rendering to get the best result, to replicate with the actual Astra band battery. If from the render result successful, goes to monitor the result. Is it the result is good? Is it the result is complement with the what the need? And after that we go to maintain the use of mockup. Okay, and lastly end. Okay, this is the result for before made the 3D mockup battery. So this is the NS 40B20L Astra band battery by Batteryku. Okay, this is the result from the photo shoot. So before me the 3D mockup for battery, okay, it takes a long time and costs more to do to get this result. So to prove this statement is by the survey that I made. So as we see in this figure, this is the before 3D mockup Astra band battery been made. So the first question is it take a long time to do a commercial of Astra band battery? So 10 of respondents say yes, it takes a long time to do a commercial of Astra band battery. Okay, and also the second question, is it more costing to do a commercial of Astra band battery? So 10 respondents say, okay, from the 10 respondents, 80% say yes, is it take more cost to do a commercial Astra band battery, and 20% of it say no. So this is the proof that before made the 3D mockup battery, it costs more to do and also take a long time to get the result. And this is for the result for the after method 3D mockup battery. So as you see in this figure, this is the Astra band battery. Also the same model NS40B20L. This is the result from rendering this from the software 3D CAD software, the Rhinoceros 7. Okay, so what the result after met the 3D mockup battery? It should reduce the time taken to do the commercial activity, and also reduce the cost to get the result. Okay. To prove that this is the survey after the method of 3D mockup Astra battery. Okay, for 10 respondent, say no. For is it take a long time to do a commercial of Astra band battery after the mockup is been made? Okay. Also, 10 respondent also say no to the is it more costing to do commercial of Astra band battery. So by this survey, it proved the mockup Astra band battery is helping in reduce cost and also reduce the time taken to do the commercial activity. So the commercial activity can executed well and smoothly after this. Okay, for the conclusion, in conclusion, a commercial activity is one of the important tasks that need to be conducted for the company if have on product. Okay, so for battery cool, it has its own product. The name is the Astra. Okay, so for the company, commercial activity is important for the market. For market the product, as I say, the case study show one factor of success commercial activity is using the easy method to conduct commercial activity. Okay, like using the 3D CAD software. For batteryco.com, success commercial activity will give a huge benefit for company branding and sales. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.